This video will demonstrate the proper use of the LeatherMagic Standard Leather Repair Kit. It will enable you to make repairs to any type of damage you may encounter on virtually any type of leather items. This demonstration will be focusing on light surface scratches that may be caused by animals or other heavy objects coming into contact with the leather surface. To begin the process, it is important that the leather be thoroughly cleaned using a high-quality leather cleaner, such as our LeatherMagic Leather Cleaner, as you see demonstrated. This will remove any dirt, oils, silicone, and other foreign matter that may be on the surface of the leather that could interfere with the adhesion of the repair materials. As you begin the process, open the kit and lay out all of the items in the kit so that you become familiar with the contents. The only additional items that you may need will be a hairdryer and paper towels or lint-free cloths. Read through the instructions so that you have an idea of how the repair is going to be completed and the items that you will be working with to complete the repair. This kit also contains a detailed color matching guide, which will help you in matching the color of your particular piece of leather. The color descriptions and color mixing guide are broken down into sections of color families. You will choose the appropriate color family, such as beige, to discern which colors you will be working with. Begin by opening the empty container that is contained in the kit. This will be used for mixing of the colored repair compounds to obtain a color match. Depending upon whether your color is light or dark, you will want to start with the appropriate color. Keep in mind, if your color is a very light color, you'll want to begin with white and add very small amounts of the tinting colors. When working with darker colors, you will want to start with either black or brown. With a bit of patience and guidance from the color matching guide, you will be able to get the color very close to the original. To test if your color is correct, place a small amount of the mixture onto the surface of the leather near the damaged area or in an inconspicuous area. Thoroughly dry the material using a hairdryer. The color will darken as it dries, so make certain that the material is completely dry before you make the color match determination. If the color match is not satisfactory, simply adjust by adding additional amounts of the various colors that may be needed to obtain the correct color match. Once you have achieved the correct color match and are satisfied with its appearance, the next step is to prepare the surface of the area that is damaged. You will do this by using the leather prep supplied in the kit. Apply a small amount of leather prep to a paper towel or cloth and vigorously wipe over only the damaged area. This process will open up the pores of the leather and remove any tough silicones and oils that may still remain after the cleaning process. This step is extremely important in order to obtain a permanent, long-lasting repair. Leather prep will also be used to remove the dried compound that was applied to the leather surface during the color matching process. Before continuing, use a hairdryer to make absolutely certain that the surface is completely dry. Next, it is necessary to lightly sand over the damaged area. Using the special sandpaper supplied in the kit, lightly sand over the immediate area, staying very close to the scratch. This sanding process will remove any fibers that may be standing up within the scratched area, as well as any loosened surface finish that may be present. Be cautious that you do not over-sand or apply too much pressure as you sand the area, and do not try to sand the scratch away. This scratch or deep gouge will be filled using the color-matched repair compound. Once finished, wipe away any sanding dust with a cloth or paper towel slightly dampened with leather prep. Do not over-wet the area. If too much leather prep has been applied and the leather has been heavily wetted, dry again using a hairdryer before proceeding. It's now time to apply the color-matched repair compound. Using the palette knife, also supplied in the kit, take a very small amount of the repair compound and lightly place it directly into the scratched or gouged area. Use the palette knife to gently press the repair compound deeply into the scratched area of the leather. Keep the leather repair compound in close proximity to just the scratch or gouged area. Glide the palette knife over the wet repair compound to smoothly spread the repair compound over the area. Do not apply too much repair material or leave high ridges, as this will distort the repair and cause additional work. Dry the repair material thoroughly using a hairdryer set on low heat. Under normal conditions, the repair compound will be completely dry in between 5 to 10 minutes. Once dry, use the special sandpaper supplied in the kit to lightly sand over the repair compound. This will smooth out the repair compound and allow you to blend it into the surface of the existing leather. Again, focus the sanding action strictly to the repair compound only. Do not sand too far beyond the edges of the repair compound so as not to damage the existing finish. Wipe away any sanding dust and reapply a second coat of color-matched repair compound. Spread this second coat very smoothly and evenly over the first coat, going slightly beyond the edges of the first coat of repair compound. Again, dry the area using a hairdryer on low heat settings. Once the second coat is completely dry, this will be your finished repair. No sanding is necessary. If, after examining the area, the scratch or gouge is still visible, additional coats of color-matched repair compound may be applied using the same techniques as before. But again, remember, final coat, no sanding. Once the repair is completed, a high-quality leather conditioner, such as our Leather Magic leather conditioner, may be applied to finish out the appearance of the repair. And this is the finished repair. It will provide you with a very aesthetically pleasing appearance with permanent results that will extend the life of your leather article for many years. The repaired article may be immediately placed back into service. To order or obtain additional information, visit our website at www.leathermagic.com, or you may call us at the number listed on your screen.